My name is Christopher Mule. I work for the Brooklyn Arts Council. I'm the Director of Folk Arts at the Brooklyn Arts Council. Let me just explain what we do there. So my job is to work with traditional artists in Brooklyn to make sure that heritage in particular communities continues. And that can happen in all sorts of formats, whether it's public presentations of Pakistani Tunri songs with Mr. Salamat Ali, or with Bangladeshi traditional dance. My focus is Brooklyn, and the Brooklyn Arts Council is so pleased to be in association with Mr. Khan and the National Youth Organization of Pakistan and APUS. They have successfully received a grant this year from the Community Arts Fund to do a series of public programs about language, music, and traditions of Pakistan. Most importantly, I think, is Mr. Khan and Mr. Ali's focus on trying to get involved with some of the artists, the poets, the musicians, the writers that are in Brooklyn that are not out and feeling comfortable to share those traditions with each other or with the rest of the community. So some of the projects we're working on is to try to make sure that there's space for the beautiful poetry of Pakistan, which I know through Mr. Shahed and Salamat, that it's as big as football is in the United States over in Pakistan. And with that poetry comes more than just entertainment or expressions. It comes with it sort of the identity and morality and the depth of the Pakistani community that we all can learn from. So what we're doing together is more than just putting on presentations to entertain. We're preserving and safeguarding culture. And I've been so impressed with Shahed's perseverance and tenacity. I met him a year ago, and he had these ideas and plans about what he wanted to do and some of the projects he wanted to do. And look where we are now. I just think it's really incredible. And I've been doing this for a while, working with different community organizations, and I've learned when to put my money behind particular horses. And this is one that I absolutely do. And I really encourage all of us to work together. That's the only way we're going to get things done. And I think there's so much potential within this community and so much potential with the work that Mr. Khan's doing. And I'm very excited, and I just am very proud to be here. So from the Brooklyn Arts Council, I just wanted to say thank you very much. And I look forward to working with all of you in the future. Thank you.